Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. Zena's in the house. We'll see how long she stays. I think we'll try to keep it calm. Maybe she'll stick around. We'll see. I've already disturbed her, so you never know. Wyatt's here. How's it going, Wyatt? Nope. Zena's on the run. She'll be back, maybe. Wyatt's here too. Wyatt, can you say hi to everybody? Want to say hi? Say hi. We have a fun unboxing for you today. Yes, we do. I'm excited. My November Your Bijoux box is here. So now we're talking some fun, sparkly stuff, huh? Some pretty jewelry. That's what we're going to talk about today. Your Bijoux box. I have the November collection and I think it's going to be gorgeous. I saw some sneak peek pictures and I cannot wait to see these pieces in person. If you are new to Your Bijoux box, it is Your Bijoux box. It is a monthly jewelry subscription, $49.99 a month, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry valued at $200 or more each month. Hopefully you caught my October unboxing, which was beautiful green emerald jewelry, so amazingly pretty. And I can't wait to see what is in store with the November collection. So let's do it. First of all, this is my little box, which looks nondescript, but it comes in an outer bag. I like how it says hello. I'm what you've been waiting for. Is that not cute? So I'd already taken it out of the bag, got to my box, and here's what I see. It looks so it looks so holiday and giftish, doesn't it? So pretty. I love the bright green bags that all of the jewelry comes in. So as I said, you do get 3 pieces of jewelry. So I've got 3 little baggies in there. And the fun thing about this subscription, and I want to make sure you guys are aware, you do get to choose if you want silver jewelry, gold only jewelry, or if you want the combination of silver and gold. Also, you get to choose whether or not you want earrings. So if your ears aren't pierced and you don't want to get earrings, you can opt out of that. So that's really nice. I've had a few of you ask me on some of my other jewelry subscriptions if that's possible. With this one, it definitely is. So here is a little card I see. It says, "'Tis the season to sparkle and shine." And it says, "Hey beauty, share your box and tag it with your Bijoux box on social media. And I will send you a bonus sparkle with your next box." So that's fun. The November collection is called Starlight. All right, Starlight. So if you're already a subscriber and you do tag them in, like I said, to at your Bijoux box, and you share your pieces, that's when you can win. So keep that in mind. Get an extra piece. And then this November collection is called Starlight. So it's clear cubic zirconias with sterling silver plating is what it's called. So let's get through this and see what they look like. Sounds promising. All these little bags are so pretty, and they are like tied shut, let me tell you. What are you doing, Wawa? All right, so first up, and you always get 3 items plus a bonus item. So you don't just get the 3 pieces of jewelry, but you always get a bonus item. So you might remember in my last box, I got those adorable pens with all the sayings on them. Love those. All right, so here's the first item, which is these earrings. Look how pretty these are. And these are called the Starlight Earrings. These are posts. They have some very dramatic sparkle to them. Like they would really stand out, I think, even though they are posts. Hopefully you guys are seeing those. So pretty. They say these vintage inspired starburst studs with eye-catching cubic zirconias embedded throughout, sterling silver plated, and they have a $55 value. So let me put these on for you. So Wyatt, for some reason, wants to play with, you guys, you guys can't see this, but he's actually trying to get the little bag that the earrings came in, and he wants to play with it, and I don't know why. something on this box that he is very interested in. Can you see him? Wyatt, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being bad? You're too funny. All right, I have, maybe Wyatt wants to be part of the video today. I have my earrings in. Look how pretty those are. Such a sparkle. So pretty. I love them. Let's keep going. Next, apparently I have to protect these bags from Wyatt. So next up is a ring, and this is pretty. Again, the sparkle in this is just gorgeous. So pretty. So it would be adjustable, I think. Yep, it is. It is adjustable. So if you wanted to adjust it for a different finger, you certainly could. That is gorgeous. I love it. Gorgeous. All right, it says this is the Starlight Ring, wraparound double starburst ring with tons of celestial shine. Show off your holiday mani with this stunning statement piece, adjustable to wear on any finger, sterling silver plated, and it's a $59 value. All right, we have one more piece of jewelry. I love all the fun little gold in here. Of course, I'm getting it everywhere. We have one more piece of jewelry, and then we have a surprise bonus item in there. And this is going to be a necklace. Ooh. Okay, this looks really pretty. This is called the Multiple Starburst, the Starlight Necklace, and it says multiple starbursts add a dazzling display of sparkle to any holiday outfit, perfect with everything from a formal gown to a fuzzy sweater, adjustable to fit each blouse or dress in the perfect spot. It's sterling silver plated, and it's a $69 value. Look at that. I'm in love with that. That is just beautiful. And for me, the sparkle is really a standout. I'm hoping it's coming up on camera because it is just gorgeous. And it has the adjustable necklace, which I love, meaning you want to make it bigger, longer, the necklace longer. You just pull this out. I love that. You want to make it shorter, you just pull it in. Amazing. No hooks for you to worry about. I love that. The easier, the better. Then you just hold both ends and pull it down, and you can make it shorter on your neck. So let me grab hold of it here. Okay, let me see here. Look how pretty that is. So, so pretty. I'm in love. I'm in love with it. It's so, so pretty. My asymmetrical neckline is throwing me off a little bit here. There we go. Love it. There's a closer look. Love the little sparkle that comes up on the one side. Such a pretty drop. What do you guys think? There's another look at the earrings together and the ring. I'm in love with these pieces. Gorgeous. So much detail, I think, went into each of these that they really are standout. You could pretty much wear them with just about anything. They're just so pretty. All right, and that is all of the jewelry pieces. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love them. I did get a bonus piece as well. And this is called the Crystal Hairpin. Look how pretty. Again, so much detail in there. There's pearls as well as the stones that really stand out. It is a clip or a pin. It's a pin, as she said. And it says it's it's handcrafted. It's a stunning handmade hairpin by Deepa Gurnani. I hope I said that right. Will add the perfect twinkle to your holiday hair. Great for long or short styles, and it's a $40 value. That is so pretty. So pretty. I love these creations that she puts together. I think they're so pretty. Just want to see what this would look like here. Show you. I think they make for like such a pretty set. I'm not getting it in well. Yeah, there we go. She just puts together the nicest pieces, and they're such a standout. I love them. But this would be great to really put in your hair for just about anything. Just that extra little touch, right? So pretty. All right, so the value of this box is right around $200. I think you're definitely getting your money's worth with these pieces. I loved it. I'll put all the information down below in case you want to check this subscription out or you want to gift it. It is holiday season. Might be an awesome gift for someone. Thanks so much for spending time with me today so I could share this with you. I loved it. I think these are amazing pieces. Till next time, everybody, I can't wait to read your comments. Do please comment down below. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more and would love to hang out for the long haul, and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.